Hi there, chicken nuggets. It's me, Carl. Welcome to Grow TV.
Welcome to Grow TV. Hosted by Carl. Where we have fun with our friends, talk about Jesus, and go over everything the Bible has to offer. Now once again, welcome to Grow TV.
Well, how you doing, everybody? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Now today, I have something very exciting to share with you. You see, I've been doing this whole thing for Grow TV for a long time now, and I've gotten to do so many cool things. I've been in a hot air balloon, I've seen dragons, and I've been on top of the tallest mountain in the world. But there's something I've never done that I get to do today. You see, it's important in life to have hobbies. Something that you can do in your spare time that you can work on and enjoy. Some people fish, some people knit blankets, some people collect bowling balls. Me? Well, I like to work with wood. You see, I've actually never worked with wood before, but how hard can it be? I mean, it's wood. It's from a tree. So that's why I decided for the next 4 weeks, I'm gonna be working here in this wood shop place. What will I be doing in this wood shop? Excellent question. All the biggest questions in the world start off with 2 words. Can you guess what those words might be? How to! How to make a video, how to make a cookie, how to make money, how to get a rabid raccoon out of a copier. People want to know how to do things. So that's why I'm here. As y'all know, I'm kind of an internet sensation. I have 70,000 subscribers, thank you very much. Which reminds me, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right here. Because I am launching a new how-to series right here, where I, your workshop professional, will teach you, and you, how to make items we use in everyday life. So I have one question. Are you ready? I said, are you ready? I can't hear y'all, so I'm assuming you either cheered really loud or it was really uncomfortable and awkward and everyone was quiet. All right, let's get started. Today's project, we're gonna create something special. Something everyone has seen and probably have used. We are making a hat. I don't know what you're probably saying. Carl, are you making a hat out of wood? Yes, that's what I'm saying. I don't think you realize just how talented I really am. I am to wood what Boyardee is to pasta. Chef Boyardee. So how to make a hat? First things first, you gotta get wood. You see, I got a couple different sizes and thicknesses. What I've been told is that you go with the grain. What I got here is some type of wood. It is pre-cut. You just start doing it. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put like a few screws like here, I think. Maybe one right here. I think that could work too. The next part is measuring. Wait, did you measure before or after? You measure after. You always measure after you cut things. Cut twice, measure once. So you just make a few adjustments. Let me just, hold on. Yep, aha! A hat. A wooden hat. It really is that simple. I mean, look at this thing. It's gorgeous. It is so comfy.
Hey, Carl.
Hi, Jada. Are you okay?
Carl, don't move. There's something on the top of your head. Be careful.
What is it? Wait, are you talking about this?
Yes, be careful.
Jada, this is my hat. I made it.
Oh, okay. Well, in that case, I love it.
Oh, thanks. I worked really hard on it. But enough about me. What are you up to?
Well, I saw your message you sent to me about you doing the how-to series on your channel, and I want to do the same thing.
You're gonna make a hat too?
Not quite. You see, I thought I'd answer my own how-to, and I came up with a few, and my first is how to make a difference.
How to make a difference? Like how to make a different hat?
Not really. I mean, make a difference in a bigger way, you know?
Not really.
All right, well, today I was reading in Matthew chapter 5, and I read something really cool.
I'm all ears.
It says this: you are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. Neither do people light a lamp and put it under a bowl. Instead, they put it on its stand and it gives light to everyone in the house. In the same way, let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven.
Oh, I think I heard that before. What does it mean though?
It really is great. You see, as followers of Jesus, we are called to be the light of the world. And the world we live in can sometimes be filled with darkness. You know, anger, hate, and hurt. But it's our job to share the goodness of Jesus no matter what. So when the world feels dark and scary, we have the chance to bring joy and light.
So do I need to like stock up on like flashlights and lamps and stuff so I can be a light?
Well, not exactly. It's just that when we choose to follow God, we have the ability to make the world a brighter place. I mean, if God is with us all the time, like Jesus says, then that means we can help make a difference wherever we go.
Whoa, so that's it.
That's what?
That's how to make a difference. It's Jesus. If we choose to follow Jesus and trust him, he can make a difference in our lives.
Yes, and in the lives of others.
Yeah, like if I were to love and help my friends like Jesus did, I know I could make a difference. And that's awesome. Almost as awesome as this hat. Right, Jada?
Yeah. Where can I get one, Carl?
Sorry, Jada. This one is a one-of-a-kind limited edition. You can't find it anywhere else.
Oh, thank goodness. Nuts. Hey there, kids. It looks like today's big idea is Jesus taught us how to make a difference. So here's how to make sure everyone knows it. We're gonna count to 3. Take a deep breath and shout it as loud as we can, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jesus taught us how to make a difference. Great job, everyone. It looks like Carl will be having some fun teaching you all how to build some pretty cool things, even if they do look a little bit wacky. We'll see you next time on Grow TV. Bye.
Thank you for watching and tune in next week for a new episode of